You are being manipulated, provoked, and depleted by people who know exactly how to influence you. Here are 3 laws of strategic silence that make you immune to their games. You believe the best defense against a manipulator is a better argument. You rehearse comebacks, waiting for the perfect moment to prove them wrong. This is precisely why you fail. Engaging validates their game. Explaining hands them leverage. Your frustration is their roadmap. The manipulator does not fear your words. They fear your silence. They cannot take advantage of what they cannot read. Your emotional reactions are their fuel. Your need to be understood is their opening. Your compulsion to respond is a lever they use to move you. There is a higher level of play, a strategic framework that turns you from a reactive subject into an unmovable observer. This is not passive withdrawal. This is active, silent control. Here are the 3 laws of strategic silence. You are in a meeting. A colleague takes credit for your work. Everyone looks at you. The tension mounts. The room expects a defense. Your biology compels you to speak. You do nothing. You hold eye contact for 3 full seconds. You let the silence stretch just long enough to become uncomfortable. Then you look down at your notes and continue as if nothing happened. This is the pause protocol. Execution is simple. When provoked, you count to 3 before any response. But it is not a numerical count. It is a deliberate, visible pause where you maintain neutral eye contact and breathe. Your face shows nothing. Your posture does not shift. You become unreadable. Then, if you must speak, your voice is 1 register lower than usual. Slower, heavier. This works because the human brain interprets a pause before reaction as strength and deliberation. The manipulator expects immediate emotion. When they receive silence, their own mind begins to race. They question themselves. The power shifts in 3 seconds. Someone sends you a text designed to provoke. It is vague, accusatory, and timed to ruin your evening. You feel the heat rise in your chest. You want to clarify, defend, or counter. You set the phone down and do not touch it for 90 minutes. This is the emotional neutrality protocol. The rule is absolute. You never respond to any message in the emotional state it was designed to create. You separate the event from your reaction by a mandatory window of time. During that window, you do not think about the message. You do not draft responses in your head. You engage fully with whatever is in front of you. A task, a workout, a meal. When you finally respond, if you respond at all, the emotion is gone. Your words are strategic, not reactive. How many opportunities have you lost because you were too available? How many times have you surrendered leverage because you could not sit with the discomfort of an unanswered message? This works because manipulators rely on immediate feedback loops. They provoke to see the reaction. When you deprive them of that reward, their strategy crumbles. You are no longer a source of entertainment. You are unresponsive. You are in a negotiation. The other party makes a demand that is unreasonable. They lean forward. They wait. Most people feel the pressure to fill the silence with a counteroffer. They negotiate against themselves before the other side has said another word. You do not speak. You let their demand hang in the air. You maintain stillness. This is the observer advantage. The principle is this: he who speaks first after provocation is at a disadvantage. You are not there to convince. You are there to observe. You watch their micro-expressions. You note the cracks in their composure. You gather intelligence while they grow uncomfortable in the quiet you have created. Your only job in these moments is to become a witness. You are documenting their behavior, not pleading your case. When you finally break the silence, it is not to respond to their point. It is to ask a question that exposes their weakness. You say, "Help me understand why you believe that is acceptable." You have said nothing about yourself. You have given them nothing to criticize. You have simply turned their own pressure back on them. This works because nature abhors a vacuum, and human psychology abhors silence. When you refuse to react, they will inevitably speak to fill the void, and in doing so, they hand you their leverage. Strategic silence is not withdrawal. It is a refusal to react on command. You now operate on a different level. You are no longer a participant in their game. You are the observer who decides when the game is played. Your silence is not weakness. It is a highest form of discipline. It is a refusal to be moved by forces that do not deserve your energy. From this moment, you do not react. You respond only when strategy demands it. You speak only when silence will be a disadvantage. You are not a subject. You are not a source of fuel. You are an impenetrable barrier. And impenetrable barriers cannot be overcome. If you understand the value of moving through the world unseen and unmoved, you have just accessed the first tier of a new operating system. The next tier is reserved for those who prove they can apply this.